Imagine looking up at the vast, starry night sky and feeling a profound sense of security beneath the immense, quiet canopy of the universe. We often scan the dark cosmos for massive, visible threats, like incoming rogue asteroids, wandering black holes, or the blinding fury of nearby exploding supernovas. We inherently believe apocalyptic events must be visible, trackable, and something we can prepare for in advance. But the most terrifying destroyer in the entire universe might not be a giant celestial body at all. It might be completely invisible, microscopic, and utterly contagious on a fundamental physical level. We are talking about an indestructible subatomic anomaly, known to modern physicists as strange matter. If just one single microscopic droplet of this exotic material ever came into direct contact with our planet, it would not simply destroy the Earth in a fiery explosion. It would instantaneously rewrite the atomic structure of everything, erasing humanity and our planetary history in a fraction of a millisecond with absolutely zero warning. To truly comprehend this terrifying existential nightmare, we have to look deep inside the violent, crushing core of a neutron star. When a massive stellar giant finally exhausts its nuclear fuel and dies, its core collapses inward under its own unimaginable gravitational weight, leaving behind an ultra-dense corpse. Inside the core of this dead star, the gravitational pressure is so staggeringly extreme that normal atomic structures cannot survive. The familiar protons and neutrons that make up all the matter we know and interact with are violently crushed and dissolved into a chaotic, boiling soup of raw, subatomic particles called quarks. Theoretical physics suggests that under this relentless, extreme pressure, these loose quarks can suddenly reconfigure into a strange, theoretically perfect state of matter. This newly born substance is infinitely dense, perfectly stable, and entirely indestructible against any known physical force in the universe. But here is the truly horrifying catch that keeps astrophysicists awake at night. Because strange matter is the most perfectly stable form of matter in absolute existence, it actively wants to convert every other piece of normal matter into its own twisted image. It acts as the ultimate cosmic contagion, a subatomic virus that infects the very laws of physics. However, as long as this strange matter remains trapped securely inside the crushing gravity well of a dense neutron star, the rest of the universe is perfectly safe from its corrupting influence. The true danger begins when the universe becomes chaotic. When two massive neutron stars find themselves locked in a decaying binary orbit, they eventually spiral inward and violently collide in one of the most energetic and explosive events known to science. This unimaginable cosmic collision can forcefully eject microscopic droplets of this dangerous strange matter, which scientists call strangelets, completely out of the gravitational trap and directly into the freezing, empty void of the open galaxy. These microscopic bullets travel blindly through the cold interstellar dark for billions of years, entirely undetectable by any human instrument or advanced telescope. They are significantly smaller than a single atom, yet they carry the destructive, world-ending power of a cosmic apocalypse within their perfectly stable shell. Because they emit absolutely no light or radiation, a strangelet could be silently hurtling toward our solar system right now at a significant fraction of the speed of light, and we would remain completely oblivious to our impending doom. If a wandering strangelet were to eventually drift into our planetary neighborhood and collide with Earth, there would be absolutely no sirens, no flashing lights, and no time to seek shelter. The exact moment it touches the very first atmospheric oxygen atom high above the clouds, a terrifying subatomic chain reaction instantly begins. The strangelet forces that normal atom to instantly restructure itself into strange matter. That newly converted atom then immediately converts all of its surrounding neighbors, expanding outward exponentially in a deadly, unstoppable spherical wave of conversion. In significantly less time than it takes a human being to blink an eye, this unseen subatomic plague would rip downward through the atmosphere, the boiling oceans, the solid rocky crust, and every single living biological creature standing on the surface. You would feel no physical pain, and you would hear no catastrophic explosion. In less than a second, the entire planet Earth would be violently condensed into a scorching, dead lump of strange matter roughly the size of a football field. The cold, dark universe would carry on expanding, completely indifferent to our sudden assimilation. Our grand civilizations, monumental achievements, and collective human memories would be entirely erased from existence forever, leaving behind only a dense, stable sphere wandering blindly through the cosmic void without any trace remaining.